The Amazon rainforest is one of the most incredible places on Earth. It's home to millions of plants and animals. Massive, but some facts about the Amazon are seriously surprising. Here are 10 fun facts about the Amazon rainforest you may not know. Number 10. The Amazon is huge. The Amazon rainforest covers around 5.5 million square kilometers, stretching across several South American countries. It's so massive that it would take an incredibly long time to explore even a small part of it. Number 9. It has a river inside it. The Amazon River is one of the largest rivers on Earth. It carries an enormous amount of fresh water toward the Atlantic Ocean, and during the rainy season, parts of the surrounding forest can become flooded. Number 8. Some trees are taller than buildings. Deep inside the Amazon, some trees can grow more than 60 meters tall. These giants rise above the forest canopy, competing for sunlight while creating habitats for countless animals. Number 7. The Amazon has pink dolphins. Yes, pink dolphins actually exist. The Amazon river dolphin, also called the Pink River Dolphin, lives in freshwater rivers throughout the Amazon basin. Their color can become more noticeable as they get older. Number 6. It can make its own rain. The rainforest doesn't just receive rain, it helps create it. Trees release huge amounts of water vapor into the atmosphere, which contributes to cloud formation and rainfall across the region. Number 5. There are animals found nowhere else. The Amazon is filled with species that don't naturally live anywhere else on Earth, from unusual frogs and insects to specialized fish and mammals. Scientists continue discovering new species in the region. Number 4. In parts of the Amazon, 2 rivers with different temperatures, speeds, and sediment levels can flow alongside each other for a while, creating a striking line between their waters. Number 3. The forest has giant lily pads. The Amazon is home to giant water lilies, whose enormous leaves can grow several meters across. Some are strong enough to support surprising amounts of weight when properly supported by the water. Number 2. There are ancient cities hidden in forest. Scientists using technologies such as LiDAR have discovered evidence of enormous ancient settlements, roads, canals, and other structures hidden beneath vegetation. The Amazon wasn't always untouched wilderness. People lived and built complex societies there long ago. Number 1. Scientists still haven't discovered everything. This might be the most amazing fact of all. The Amazon is so incredibly diverse that new species and uncovering new archaeological discoveries. Even today, there are still parts of this enormous rainforest that remain poorly understood. The Amazon isn't just a giant forest. It's a world filled with strange animals, hidden history, enormous rivers, and mysteries that scientists are still trying to solve.